All right, so we're just waiting for Kyle to pull it together, and then we're gonna go snowboard. So see you on the mountain. So, you know, I wanted to keep taking laps because chairlifts are nice, but Kyle wants to hike. We're gonna give Kyle what he wants, you know?
I always get what I want. Gotta get the front one on, 3 off. Today, it has to happen, has to. Oh. Y'all good? Wrist breaker. No good. He's got this. Redemption. You were so locked in, dude. Bummer. That was so frustrating to watch. So locked in, so dialed.
Close there. What? So I felt like I was staying a little close, sorry.
There you go. All right. Heck yeah, that was dope. That was dope.
Yeah. Hello. Dope. I get Chipmunk on the down, flat down.
Fine.
Let's do this.
Guys, what a sick day. It's almost July. We got July 4th and tomorrow as well. I'm stoked. Jonathan's doing his second to last run on the DFD. I really want to hit it, but he's going to shred it up too. One's all he gets. Let's get it. And that's it. You. Yoo-hoo! Oh, you got scooch leg?
Dude, you ripped that last part. What a sick day.
Heck yeah. That's what it's about. Woo. Yeah.
If you, I think we were worried we weren't gonna find his STI because it's so short. Oh man, broke your edge.